Hey, where are you going today?
Disneyland.
Disneyland? It's not Disneyland. It's
Las Vegas.
Oh yeah, so we're taking a little mini-cation. We're going to Vegas. Whoa! Whoa! All right. Oh no, that was a surprise. It's just a doll. It's just a doll. All right. A little rainy outside, but we're gonna be going. We're gonna travel safe. We're gonna drive safe. Are you ready to go?
Yep.
Are you ready to go?
Yep.
All right. You're hungry. We didn't even get on the road. What is in your teeth? Chocolate.
Bread.
Chocolate bread? Oh my gosh, you look silly. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're gonna hit the road. All right, guys, so we just made it to Lenwood. We always stop right here where the outlets are on the 15 going into Vegas. But woo! Good thing the rain stopped. It was pretty bad coming up here. But yeah, check out the weather, man. Thank goodness. Now it's like kind of clear. All right, so we're kind of at like the halfway point. We're gonna get back on the freeway and then we'll see you guys back in Vegas. Or we'll see you guys at Vegas. In Vegas. We'll see you guys there. You guys can tell we're here. We're here, Jordan. We gotta be kind of quiet because it's empty. And there's really no one here. All right, we're on floor 31. Let's go check out what this room looks like. So we're actually staying at the Delano right there. We're in room 808. It's a sign. If you know, you know. YKZXYZO. So this is the Delano, guys. It's it's kind of connected to Mandalay Bay. It is connected to it. We like the rooms over here because they're all suites. But we'll show you guys the room once we get there. All right. Look at that. Check it out. Look how tiny this room is. They call it a suite, but all you get is a pull-out couch and a desk and a chair.
We don't get a bed.
We're gonna have to share that couch as a bed.
There's a bed over there.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. If you come this way, boom! It's a room. Check it out. Let's turn the lights on.
I have a little couch right here.
You have a little couch to sit on. Let's see what kind of view we got. Let's see the view. This is our view. We get a view of the pool. Can you guys see that? So they have a wave pool, right? Oh, right there. That's a wave pool. There's a lazy river over here.
I can't believe it's open.
And yeah, so it's wintertime right now and it's cold, but it's open.
Kaiya, do you want to go in the pool?
You're gonna go in the pool? Oh my goodness. All right, let's do a quick little room tour. So we got the 2 queens here just so that we could fit everyone. And then here's the bathroom with your vanity thing. Woo! Stand-up shower and a big bathtub. This thing's huge.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can take a bath.
Yeah.
And then you're wondering, hey, where do you go to the bathroom? The bathroom's over here. But what's also cool is when you come here, so you got your 2 beds, you got your TV, some closet space, and then you get a couch and another TV and a little desk where we could do some work. You got your window for your view again, your controls for the AC, and then check this out. Right when you enter, another bathroom. How cool is this? Huh? Look, there's another bathroom right next to the door.
Daddy,
Yes.
the refrigerator is full.
Yeah, I know. Don't touch any of that stuff.
Okay.
It's a premium.
Yeah.
They charge you way too much for that stuff. So they do actually have a mini fridge, and the biggest problem is we're gonna have to like block this so that Kaiya doesn't get into it and Jordan doesn't get into it. And that's the room. It's really cool because it's think of it as this way. This is your standard room here, but then you come this way and you get your separate room here so that when the kids are sleeping here, we could do some work over here. Nice. Nice. All right. When I was younger, I would usually be passed out here by the time it was nighttime. And see this right here, this ledge? I used to fill this with alcohol cans and stuff. But now we're filling it with oranges for the kids. Oh, Daddy's not young anymore.
Times have changed.
Times have changed. Now we're stocking up on waters and oranges. No more vodka and beer. Because we got kids. And we have to be responsible. But overall, I mean, let me get some better lighting over here. We'll do this. All right, so we're in Vegas. It is our little mini vacation thing. We haven't been back to Vegas in quite some time. It's pretty empty. Honestly, we were kind of worried about that. We're like, okay, if we do come here, we're going to stay at Delano. Oh, you're right. There's water over there. For where we are, we're in the Delano. The Delano is the first hotel really that starts the main strip area, in our opinion, if not factual. But the Delano is separated from the casino. So it actually connects directly into the parking lot, which is nice. So you park in your car, you come down the elevator, and you're pretty much right there at the check-in. And then once you get into the check-in, you go straight up to your room, and you don't have to really interact with too many people. You don't have to walk through a casino. You're not interacting with all that stuff. So it's pretty much just checking in like at a regular hotel, and then you can go about your day, which is great. So we're back here. Let's eat some good food. We got to figure out what to do with the kids, because I think there's a Christmas drive-through thing going on at the auto speedway, which is like 25 minutes away from here. So we're gonna go check that out, hopefully. But pretty much we're just gonna relax. We're gonna eat good food and have some fun. What are you eating right now? Orange. Oh my goodness. Nice socks, Crunch Mom. Fancy. All right, guys, we're gonna just relax for a little bit, and then we're gonna go out and get some food. Yeah! Woo woo! Oh my goodness. And it is nice having this much space here, because then the kids could run around and get tired before going to sleep. Yay! All right, we'll see you guys.